Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Notion for students, pro tips step by step clearly. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool for students. Start by creating an account on Notion if you haven't already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. The sidebar is where you'll access all your pages and databases. To create a new page, click on the New Page option. Give your page a relevant title, like class notes or study schedule. You can choose from various templates for specific needs. Select templates on the right to explore options tailored for students. For note-taking, create a blank page or use a journal template. Utilize headings, bullet points, and checkboxes for easy organization. You can embed videos, links, and images for enhanced learning. Consider creating a database for your assignments. Click the database option and choose between table, board, or calendar views. Label columns for due dates, subjects, and priority levels. Use filters to focus on upcoming tasks or specific subjects. Next, integrate a study planner. Create a new page for your weekly or monthly schedule. Add a calendar view to track important dates and deadlines. Link your tasks from the assignment database for better visibility. Explore the gallery option for visually tracking projects. This allows you to see all your assignments at a glance. Experiment with different views to find what works best for you. Click Share at the top right of any page to invite others. Consider using synchronized blocks for team notes on group projects. Lastly, regularly update your Notion setup as your needs change. With time, you'll refine your system to enhance your productivity. Notion can significantly improve your organization and study efficiency. Keep exploring its features to make the most out of your experience. You'll find that a structured approach can enhance your learning journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.